Welcome, this is your Option Monster Volatility Sonar Report. From the floor of the Seaboat, this is Jamie Tyrrell of Group 1 Trading. Well, the big question lingering over the floor was exactly how first quarter earnings were going to start off. We had our first big reports over the night, and we had JP Morgan, Intel, both releasing very strong results, and the market has responded by moving up another 8 points in the S&P 500, another move down in the VIX. But it's not as big of a move down as most people would have thought. The VIX cash is down about a quarter to just under 16, and the VIX futures are down pretty marginally. The front month future down a quarter right now, back month futures down about 15 cents, and there really hasn't been a lot of play in the front month options. With the VIX now in the 15s, that's a historically pretty low level, and there's not a lot of interest in the near term in moving much below 15. If you pull up a VIX option chart, the 15 puts aren't bid in April, they're not bid in May, they're nickel and dime bids out further than that. So there's not a lot of people willing to say that the VIX can go down a lot further from here. Where we are seeing a lot of play is in those back months. Although we're at 15 in the VIX now, 16, 17, 18 in the April future, May future about 19. The back month futures are still in the 20s. The September is 23. So the future is pricing that there will be a return to volatility. The big customer we have right now is looking to sell the 17-20 call spreads in every month for about $1.80 in June, in July, in August. Been selling them as a package. The June, July, August call spread stupid. Been talking about it the last couple weeks. So that's the big debate right now. Where do the VIX back month futures belong? Is 15 a normal level? Is 18? Or is it where the futures are pricing right now in the low 20s? In option trading, our biggest trade of the day just happened. It was the May 20 calls, and we had a seller of those for 160. Crowd loaded up on them, bought those calls 160. Very interesting. Not a lot of large institutional buyers of upside calls. A lot of seller of calls, a lot of sellers of call spreads continues. So we'll see if and when we see our first big buyer of the week. That's what we have going here. Jamie Tyrrell with Group 1 Option Monster.